Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Now you know I will only put out this crypto stuff when there's an inflection point, something important happening in the market right now. The last time I dove in on this topic was when this happened. Oh, a handsome fellow over there. Paris Hilton went on to the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon and showed their bored apes. I was sitting there going, what is happening? What timeline are we living in when celebrities are going on to late night shows showing their NFTs? This has got to be some sort of inflection point. And I was showing you this chart over here. And I said at the time, this has to be euphoria. It's not normal what we're seeing here. This must be a euphoric moment in the cycle of the market. So let's take a look. That was in January. And indeed, if we take a look at the chart here, where was January? You were right over there. So Bitcoin between 50 and 60,000 was when that happened. And yes, in hindsight, as we thought, you guys were correct. That was a euphoric moment in the market when everyone felt that this was normal to do. That's it, all right? So the question is now, where are we right now? And so the reason I'm making this video is because a couple of headlines caught my attention. Take a look at these headlines with me now. Coinbase to lay off 18% of staff amid crypto meltdown. Terrible. Losing your job because of the market environment. Never mind that, but before this happened here, they were rescinding job offers. They had actually accepted job offers. This poor guy, he was, I think, from India, tweeted out that he had accepted the job offer, packed up all his stuff, was leaving India to go to the States, only to find via tweet that his job offer was rescinded. Can you imagine? So horrible news, horrible. But more recently, crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital considers asset sales and bailout. They are being liquidated. 3 Arrows Capital being liquidated, getting hit hard. Now, these guys owned a bunch of Luna and Axie and all these projects who have imploded. Yeah, so this is very, very bad. Here's another one. Babel, I'm not familiar with them, but Babel Finance suspends withdrawals, citing unusual liquidity pressures. All these headlines are exactly the kind of headlines you see during capitulation. And if you take a look at the chart right now, this is where we are in the capitulation phase. So actually, before I go further, let's just take, oops, I don't want to do that. Let's go back to the 2018 rally and subsequent bear market, the crypto winter, which followed over there, because I want to show you some similarities. And I know I've mentioned this before, but this is the big run up crypto had, then the subsequent bear market that hit. And what I love about it, but one thing I want to point out is when a whole new wave of investors and traders suddenly discovered crypto and they discovered charting, and they go, aha, I know what that is. That's a support level. And they all came in and they all bought support because support is where you buy. What happened? The bear market is relentless. Capitulation. And this, ladies and gents, is the area I'm looking out for right now. This is what I want to see. So let's compare that to where we are right now in the current market. And what we see here is again the capitulation. Here is the support level. And now what happened is everyone's buying the support because that's a good time to buy it, right? Wrong. Not during a bear market. Here's the support level. Capitulation. Down we go. What we're looking for now is this area here. We want to see a long area of depression and anger. And I know this sounds bad, but you actually don't want to see crypto and Bitcoin mentioned for a while. You want to see it go quiet. Now, I don't believe we see the exact same crypto winter that we saw last time from 2018 all the way down to 2019. History does not have to repeat exactly. It might rhyme. So I don't know. We'll see the exact same thing. It's very likely we could see some up and down and move up from there because there's a lot of people waiting. A lot of people have smartened up over the years and are looking for exactly these kind of dips. They're looking for the capitulation headlines. And when these headlines hit, they know there's going to be a deal. In fact, take a look at this tweet I saw just recently, which is great. I think it expresses my views perfectly here. Here's a post on a forum, the old Bitcoin forums. from 2011 saying Bitcoin will never reach $20 again. That's when it ran from like 5 cents to $20 and then dumped. It's never going to reach $20 again. Well, we know what happened, right? Then in 2015, Bitcoin falls below $200. Shocking headline. Very painful at the time. Lowest level since 2013. Fast forward to 2017, Bitcoin falls below 2,000. Shocking headline at the time. And more recently, on June 18th, Bitcoin plummets below 20,000 for the first time since 2020. So you see the pattern. I think a lot of people are seeing the pattern, and I think a lot of people have powder dry, ready to go for exactly that. And I know this chart looks messy now. So yeah, get ready, because once we stop seeing these headlines hit the news every single day, things will suddenly start getting better. And I don't know why my phone's going crazy. Probably giving me my signals. So get ready, because it might not be today or next week or next month, but the opportunity is coming. I don't know if you can see my watch list over there, but I'm watching Epic, I'm watching ICP, I'm watching Uniswap, Solana, Matic, and BCH, Bitcoin Cash, is one which is highly underappreciated. It's probably one of the worst marketed coins out there. Sorry not to offend anyone, but the marketing is terrible on this. But they have Smart BCH, a level 2 built on that, which has started recently. And Bitcoin.com, which is the flagship website attached to this name, has their own decentralized exchange coming soon, which is why this is on my radar, along with these other names, because I do feel there's a lot of potential coming up on these underappreciated names that have a lot going for them in the background. That is what's going to lead the next wave up. That is what you should be watching for. And I believe the opportunity is coming up soon. So with that, ladies and gents, let me know, what are you watching? When is the signal for you? Post below. If you enjoy my content, thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.